The painting is the only guitar. It was the painting by Pablo Picasso in 1903. He was a famous artist in Spain. Um, and it was painted by Pablo Picasso wanting to show the sadness, pain, the poverty. The main the picture is the old, the blind, the poor. But he is still the playing the guitar. This show that even her time the music can have a high hope. I think the painting is